Hi everyone, today I am going to create simple HTML applications. I need to explain how to use unorder list and order list. Just code this, see that code here within the body tag, use the h2 and unorder HTML tags. Within UL tag, li. Li means list tag. So coffee, tea and milk. And next one is a order HTML list using OL. OL means order list, UL means unorder list. Within an order list, li tags, list tag, coffee, tea, milk. I am going to run the code. What will happen here? Unorder HTML list, order HTML list, coffee, tea, milk, coffee, tea, milk. Putting the dots in the unorder list. In the 1, 2, 3 is order list. That's all about. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and support. Thanks.